What's the meaning of clerihew? Clerihew. Clerihew.
Clerihew. Clerihew. A clerihew is a short, humorous poem consisting of 2 couplets and typically featuring a person's name as the first or second line. The poem was invented by Edmund Clerihew Bentley in the early 20th century and is often used to parody or satirize public figures. The resulting poem is usually lighthearted and silly, and often relies on wordplay or unexpected rhymes for its humor. Clerihews have become a popular form of poetic entertainment and are often used as part of word games or other social activities.